Clothes aren't all created equal. Just because something is hype does not necessarily mean it's gonna make you look good. See, today, boys, I kind of want to zero in your focus. Clothes has the power to increase your confidence. Clothes has the power to make you look more attractive if you buy the right pieces for your body type, for your skin tone color. See, today, boys, I'm gonna show you next time you go shopping, whether online or in person, what you should be doing to shop for clothes that's actually gonna make you look better. Let's hop into this. Number one, and the most important thing is that you gotta purge your closet. Like I said, everything that you own doesn't necessarily make you look good. So you have to be unbiased. You have to be self-aware. You gotta be true with yourself. So go into your closet. Every piece that you wear that doesn't make you feel more confident, that's torn, that's shrunken, that's overstretched, that has a stain, that's out of style, any piece that you know that deteriorates how you look, I want you to get rid of it. Throw it away, donate it, or even better, sell it on Grailed or eBay and make some extra cash on the side. That way you can reinvest it, which takes us on to number two. Make a strategic list. This right here will be your lifesaver. See, you probably watch a lot of my content. You watch my stuff on Instagram. You probably watch other people's stuff as well, where you're getting a lot of inspiration and a lot of information all at once. Not everything that I show you that looks good on me might look good on you. So as you're watching these videos, you should be making a list of what you actually need in your wardrobe. This way, when you do have an extra $100 or $200 to spend on yourself, you go and buy what you need and don't end up just splurging on some random piece that's not gonna benefit you. And this is exactly why I like our sponsor Karma, which was formerly known as ShopTagger. See, this is an app that you can download on your web browser or on your phone that easily allows you to tag items on the web on all of your favorite stores and then organize them as categories. I have a bunch of categories personally. The cool thing is that you can then share these lists like for the holidays or for your birthday so other people can see the specific list. On top of that, they let you know when certain items that you tagged have gone on sale, have been restocked. So on top of just organizing a list, you're getting all these other benefits. Not to mention that when you're at checkout, Karma is always scanning the web looking for coupons.
This is a specific special feature only available on computers, so Google Chrome is a must.
So when you check out, they're gonna apply any coupons that are available on the web. And finally,
you can earn Karma cash to your PayPal from shopping from select partners.
Like, Karma is probably one of the best online tools you can use that is completely free to shop online and make sure you stay focused and buy the stuff that you need at the best price possible. If you guys want to download Karma, like I said, it's completely free on your phone or on your web browser. It's going to be linked down below. Which takes us on to number three. Shop out of season. See, when you start making lists, you get to start delaying gratification, and instead of shopping like everybody else out of straight impulse, buying dumb things, you have a strategic list. Now, you can be smart when you shop. So if you know there's certain winter stuff like sweaters and coats and jackets, buy those in summer. See, you're gonna get the exact same quality from the brands that you want at like 50-60% off because these retailers put everything on sale trying to get rid of it so they can allow room for all their new summer stuff. And vice versa, when it's winter, buy a bunch of summer stuff. And that way every season you got the latest and greatest at the same quality at 60% of the price. Number four, make sure it fits. So if you're buying in person, that's easy. You just want to try it on every single time. Don't just buy just looking. But if you're buying online, you have to be more strategic. One trick that I always like to use is I have a tape measure. They're like $2 on Amazon. It's crazy affordable, but it's a lifesaver to save you money on returns and also ensure that what you're buying actually looks good on you. So if you're looking for a t-shirt or a sweater or a pair of pants online and you're not sure how it's going to fit, grab one of your favorite shirts or sweaters that you know fits well on you, grab that tape measure, and then compare it to the size guide that they have online. When you do this, you're gonna minimize returns and increase your chances of making sure that everything you buy online fits good. Number five, use inspiration. Look, sometimes you might lack creativity, and this happens to me as well when it comes to certain items, but there is so much content out there to make sure that you look your best with any piece. For example, I would say Pinterest is probably one of the best resources if you want to dress better, because it doesn't matter if you like tech wear, street wear, casual wear, or dapper wear. There's a load of content that you can search, a whole library of it, to make sure you can compose outfits that look just as good. And the great thing is you can use this or Instagram. If you buy a new piece, say you buy a new suit, or you buy a new sweatsuit or a new white t-shirt, you can go on Pinterest and just put white t-shirt outfits for men and see just all these creative different ways of wearing a white t-shirt other than just blue jeans and a tee, allowing you to start dressing better and buying pieces that you know you're gonna be able to implement in your wardrobe. And finally, number 6, buy solids first. Again, you have to delay gratification when it comes to style and buy your basics. The basics are what's important. This is what's gonna carry you on for the next few years. Once you got this covered, you can go crazy, but you gotta focus on your basics. That's why that list is important. And your basics are always going to be solid. So avoid the prints, the patterns, the big logos. Yes, they're flashy and it might trigger you to want to buy them on impulse, but know that the versatility on those pieces is much lower because it's not as basic. You can't mix and match with everything in your closet. Your goal, stick to neutral, solid colors. When you have a wardrobe full of basics of neutral solid colors, you can literally mix and match every day of the week without even having to put too much stress, and know that when you walk out, you're gonna look good. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 6 shopping tricks you need to do to start buying clothes that makes you look better. That's it for me today. See you next time.